How to forward a text message on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to forward your text messages on iPhone but don't know how to? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your messages app and go to the conversation where the messages that you want to forward. Then long press on the message that you want to forward, and then you'll see more, tap on it, and then you can see options to tick. So if you want to forward more than one message, then you can tick on other messages as well, and you'll see arrow like option on the bottom right. Tap on it. So this is the forward option. Now put the name of the person whom you want to forward the message to, and then choose the person's name, and then just hit the green button, that is the send option. And it's as simple as that. Your message has been forwarded. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.